guys, long time no see. I just woke up a couple like an hour ago. That's why I look pretty dusted, as you can see with my hair and everything. But today I wanted to be up and early because I did an impulsive buy yesterday and I bought some wheels for the Lexus, which I've been wanting to do for the longest time. I'm kind of sick of running the TSWs that I have right now because they're 8.5 squared all around and they don't fill in the gaps very good and it looks pretty weird. I don't really like it. So I finally got some wheels and well, let me show you guys what I got. So we got right here our set of wheels and they are Enkei. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I have always wanted these wheels. I used to have a wide body IS350 and I wanted to get these wheels for it, but they were always too expensive, so I never did it. But now I saw these for pretty cheap. Let's just say I pretty much got one of these for free. And they're brand new, they were never mounted or anything as well. So you can go ahead, open them up, see what goodies we got. Oh. I'm just playing. Oh, my lord. So these are the wheels that I got. They are RS05RRs and they are looking so good. Oh, what is that? Okay. I thought it was like a little chip right there, but it was just like something, I don't know. But yeah, can you believe? Ooh, they're gonna look so good. I have test fit these already. I wanted to see if they will clear my brakes, and they do more than clear them. They're like a mile off, so these are perfect. The only thing I'm worried about is them being too wide, but we're gonna see what's up. So these are 18 by 9.5 with a 22 offset all around. So I just can't wait to get them on. I'm gonna try to run the tires I have on at the moment. Right now I have 225 40 18 in the front and 245 40 18 in the rear. I wanted to go 255 in the rear, but I test fit this one as well and the rear looks like it's pretty wide too, so we're gonna just try the 245 I have now and see how it looks, see if I have any room for more meat. But in the front I'm a little worried because right now it's already rubbing and I don't know how it's gonna do with these, but we'll find out soon. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and take these to the shop. I'm gonna go ahead and take 2 off, put them in the truck and take them to the shop and go mount them up real quick, see how it turns out. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and dismount that tire and put it on my new wheel. I'm back home. Let's try these boys. Let's try these bad boys on. So this is pretty much how it turned out. I did not record after I dropped the rear when I put the wheels on for the first time, and it's been like a couple weeks since I've actually put them on, so I'm barely getting down to finishing up this video. But yeah, here's how it is. You already saw in the introduction of this video how it pretty much sits. And I'm gonna tell you guys something, this fitment is perfect. I did have to roll my fenders because at first my tire was sitting on here like pretty bad. So after I rolled them, it sits pretty nice. It rubs, barely, very rarely it rubs, but it doesn't even rub bad. And can't really tell at all. But the front does rub pretty aggressively. I'm still trying to figure out where it's rubbing, but yeah, it's rubbing pretty bad somewhere right here, but it's all good just for the fitment. But man, these wheels really make the car stand out a lot different. But this is pretty much where I'm gonna stop the video. Well, if you made it this far, I really appreciate you. Thank you for watching my videos, and hopefully you stay tuned and keep watching my videos. I have a lot coming for this car and my other car. I have a Lexus IS300 5-speed manual if you guys are interested in those. I have a lot of content coming up for that car, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, and stay progressing.